Okay, hello. My name is Daniel. I just bought this. Today's December 25th, 2019. I bought this little WLTOYS. What is it? 12423. The little short Corse truck. I try to I put it on a little, just so it can be high, so I can show you what's going on. By the way, like I said, I love this little truck. I'm holding it because it's like my issue here. I mean, just to show you, everything works perfect. I mean, left, right. But then here we go. When I hit forward, I put the throttle like a little bit under halfway, give or take. Like I hit forward, and it's going backwards. So just you can. I don't want to do it all the way. I don't want it to fall. I'm trying to make my little. So there it goes. As you can see, the throttle all the way forward, but it's going backwards. Again, look. Okay, now I go backwards, and then it goes forward. Alright. That's it. Everything else, I love this little truck for the price and everything. Great little truck. So please help me, guys. I think it's a binding issue. I'm thinking. I don't know. So that's why, when I bought this, again, I'm just showing you guys. It's like half throttle, and I'm going forward, and then you're gonna see that as I go, that's forward. It's going backwards. Oh, it fell off. Let me put it back on. Then here we go again. I go backwards, and then it goes forward. And then there's the track. And then I don't know what else. So again, just to show you guys, I hit reverse, and it's going forward. Everything else works great. So I don't know, I guess where I bought it from on eBay, they told me to make this video. I'm gonna send it to them. You guys are cutting into my football. I have put it on mute right now to make this little video. So again, please, if somebody can help me out while it's doing this, I hit forward, going reverse, and then vice versa. I hit reverse, and it goes forward, and obviously it does affect it, because when I hit a reverse, I don't get you don't get full power. I kind of really wouldn't care, but I'm getting all the power, as you can see, look at it, on reverse, not on forward. So anyhow, please help me out. Again, it says it gives you, I don't know how much warranty, but I think I've had it maybe a month or so, a little bit over a month. So we'll see what happens. I don't want to leave any negative reviews or anything. Like I said, I love the truck, but I just don't think that it's fair. I'm not a basher. I just run it in my local park. And like I said, I've seen people do some crazy stuff to these things, but no, I love this little truck. I just want it fixed, or I don't know what's going on. So please help me out. Again, Daniel. December 23rd, 2019. Thank you.